Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Editor Speaks Beauty Box from the Next Beauty. Personally, I think that the Editor Speaks beauty boxes are the most interesting beauty boxes and the most expensive too. Usually the price paid is much lower than the total value of a beauty box. This time the Editor Speaks beauty box is retailed for £35 and worth over £155. Inside we will find 6 beauty products. 5 of them are full-size products. Okay, beautiful people, let's discover the Next Beauty Editor's favorite products. First, I took out a face mask from the brand Beauty Pro, Nourishing Collagen Mask. Nourishes and rehydrates skin and diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Boost your skin with hydration with this ultra nourishing sheet mask. Fine lines are plumped and skin is left glowing and gorgeous. Beauty Pro face masks aren't my favorites. I tried a couple of them in the past and I didn't like them too much. Product number 2 is from the brand Nails Inc. Nail Kale Superfood base coat. Treat your nails to some extra TLC with this powerful nail treatment. Enriched with added keratin, it's like a multivitamin for your money. I have this product and I like it. Today I have it on my nails. It's fast drying, it has a beautiful sheen. It's a good base for your nail polish if you want to use it this way. I personally wear it on its own. It looks beautiful. Product number 3 is a travel size mascara from Benefit. They are real original mascara. Lengthen, curl and lift lashes with Benefit best-selling mascara. Your lashes are left fluffy, feathery and full as Vava Boom. Product number 4 is from the brand Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Perfect for gently smoothing and brightening dull, lackluster skin. This non-abrasive cream exfoliator clarifies your complexion with every use. I have this product from Elemis and I like it a lot. It has a nice texture and it smells divine. It has a nice fruity scent. It's easy to use. Apply it on your skin, relax for 10 minutes and after rinse off with water. Leaves the skin soft, revitalized and radiant. One of my favorite products. Like it a lot. Product number 5 is from Iconic London, Complexion Stick. Add warmth, glow and brightening boost to your complexion with this multi-use stick. Can be used as a blusher, can be used as a lipstick or even can be used as an eyeshadow. The shade is beautiful, is a blush pink shade. And the treasure of this beauty box is an eyeshadow palette from the brand NARS. NARS Extreme Effects Eyeshadow Palette. Meet your must-have palette of the summer. With 12 stunning shades, this limited edition eyeshadow palette will ensure you have eye to mesmerize from beach to bar. I am really excited with this palette. NARS is a brand that I like. But I don't know why I never tried the eyeshadows formula and I am pleased that I have a chance to try it now. Okay, beautiful people, here are all the products from the Editor Speaks beauty box from the Next Beauty. I love this beauty box, I like the items that we got here, I am satisfied by the price paid. Great beauty box. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!